Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are reviewing a soft ring light. So this is a big monster. In fact, it looks like you could put 3 cell phones on this one. So I got this so we have better lighting inside, because the lighting is not always that good. Alright, let's go ahead and review it one thing at a time. So here's going to be the plug, the power source for our lights, 2 batteries which go for the remote, and then let's go ahead and open this up for the tripod. So it looks like it's a pretty heavy duty tripod, and as you can tell it comes with different bags, so it's portable. Let's go ahead and set this up. So this is how tall it is. Wow. So let's get a good comparison. So as we compare, I'm 5'9", and you know, it's almost as tall as me. So it's definitely tall, and you can adjust this. So by turning these over here, you can adjust it for up and down. But as you can see how dark it is, and that's a problem with recording. So let's go ahead and install the light. So we're going to go ahead and install the ring light. Comes in a nice case as well, a nice bag. So you got the ring light right here. Looks like we got some accessories. I'm not sure what is all in here. We got different mounts for cell phone, it looks like. Oh, we got a whole bunch of accessories. We have, looks like a tablet mount, a cell phone mount, extensions, all kinds of mounts. We got a controller for a cell phone. We got more extensions. So, wow. We got some cards in there. And that's it. Go ahead. Oh, this is definitely a big boy. So it's got display on the back. See if we can show you. So it's got a nice display on the back. You can plug in USBs to charge your phone and whatnot. Looks like you got controller up here as well. Wow, that's crazy. Let's go ahead and put this on. So that's going to sit up in here, and this just threads on. We're going to bring this back down then, because it's way too high. I mean, it's not too high. We could angle it down. It all depends on how we're wanting it. So probably like my height, like right up in here, I would say. And then you can adjust this, so you can angle it down however you want it to be, and then you just tighten these. Okay, let's go ahead and see how we want to do this. So we're going to mount our GoPro on here. So it comes with this piece that actually just slides in like this, and then we just twist this to tighten it, just like that. And now this would go on our GoPro right over in here. So right up in here, we slide the GoPro on that. So now you can see how it looks without there's no light on or anything. We're going to go ahead now and turn this on. Alright, so off, on. So let's go ahead. Now you can see it's off. Turn it on. And now we're going to adjust the brightness. So as you can see, different brightness. And you can set this up so we have it max brightness. And now we're going to change the tone. So this changes the tone. You can see different tone. It's maximum brightness though. Now let's drop the brightness down. And with different accessories, you can put any camera on here. Your phones, GoPros, any other camera that you have. So you can go from 300K to 600K, and then from 0% brightness to 100%. So that's 0, and we'll go through the motions here. Each little turn of the knob ups it. So it gets pretty bright. Still going. Alright, there we go. So, yeah, I'm impressed. I like this. I like it a lot. Let's go get the remote and test the remote out. Okay, welcome back. So, we got our remote. There's a lot of stuff here. CT+. Let's go ahead and there's a night mode, which is this. So that's the night mode section, which just changes the tone. You have obviously on and off. You have mega bright, so it just goes real bright, and then you can press a button to go right low. So from big brightness to dim, and then you can obviously up that. So you just up and down with the remote. You can go the whole way as bright as you need it to, and then you can switch the color tones, which is 3 color tones, or 4. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. And then you got to change the temperature, and it kind of goes through them all, which is pretty cool. Section. Just changes that. So yeah, you can basically do all that stuff right here. So if you're moving around, want it low, and then you're showing something, you want to turn real bright, you got it real bright. So you'll have to play with the settings, but yeah, I love this. I give it a 10 out of 10, honestly. It's great, works really good. Depends where you're at, you might need an extension cord to plug it in from the wall, but besides that, very happy with it. Works great. Definitely 10 out of 10, honestly. 10 out of 10. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video and choosing to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Did you know I actually have multiple YouTube channels? So if you guys are interested, check out all my other YouTube channels if you are into other different content. So, up here, as you guys can see, it should be right up in here. These are my other YouTube channels spelled out. So just search them, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and checking out my other channels. You guys are the best, and you're the reason why I do this. So thank you so much for hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and checking out my other channels. See you guys on the next video.